Alright you guys, so to start out this look, I already went ahead and put some hair serum in my hair. I just used the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. It's the only one I had on hand, or at least could find at the moment, but I just went ahead and put it from the middle of my hair and then the extra on the top just to get the flyaways. And then I had Morgan help me do my part in the middle, and we just used this big comb to make it all straight in the back. The next thing you'll need, I wish I had clear ones, but the black ones will work for now. They're the little elastics. We're going to be using these. Again, clear ones I think would look better, but I'm just going to make do with what I have. I actually learned this hairstyle on TikTok, like shocker. We're all learning stuff on TikTok, I feel like. But it took me a little while to get the hang of it, but once I got the hang of it, it was super, super easy. So I'm just going to tie off, oops, let me do that better. So I'm just going to tie off the side that I'm not doing right now, and I'm going to focus on this side. I'll show you guys. I feel like you already know, but can you see all my hair? Okay, so I'll stand up, but I have very long hair. I am wearing paper bag shorts right now, but it does hit like the top of my hip, so we will be using a lot of elastic bands. Hey Morgan, can you come here? Can you just like zoom me in and make sure it looks good? Think it's good? Yeah.
Do you want me to stay to make sure everything looks okay?
Actually, yeah, hold on. I look like shit. So we are zoomed in, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a voiceover for you guys just so I can concentrate. So just go ahead and keep on watching, and I'll show you guys how to get this awesome bubble braid. So starting off guys, I'm pulling a rather large section of my hair off on the top and tying it with the elastic band. The tighter you do pull the elastic band, the more tight the braid will become with the bubble part. I'll show you what I'm talking about towards the end. Next, I'm just going to pull another section right underneath that same first little ponytail and do the same exact thing and tie it off with the band. Just make sure you're pulling your bands tight. It'll make the bubbles in the braid more fuller. I wish I would have known this, again, only my third time, but you learn as you go, so just make sure to pull them tight. So you're going to split the top into two and pull the bottom piece up, and then take the two pieces underneath, pull more hair, and tie that off. So I like to say in my head while doing this, split, flip, pull, pull, tie, as I do the steps in numerical order. But as long as you say that in your head, it'll get more easier as you go. So at this point I turn around to show you guys. So split, flip, pull, pull from the side. You're almost there. And tie. So it's just a good way to remember. You'll get faster as you go. I'm still not that fast, but I'm getting there. And split, flip, pull, pull from the side, and tie it off with your band. So basically I just do this throughout the whole process of doing my hair. repeating that to myself. I'll speed it up a little bit here for you guys, but your braid should look just like this. You should always have the top piece hanging out and the bottom piece tied off. So I'll go ahead and speed it up for you guys just because it is a little repetitive, me saying the steps when you can just watch me do them. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed it up for you guys. So what I actually found very confusing at first was, what do I do when I don't have any more hair to pull from on my scalp? So basically this is way easier than what you think it is. So you're just still taking the section on top, or like you see from behind, pulling it forward and just tying it off. So instead of doing 2 pulls, you're just doing 1. So it's going to be split, pull, tie. That's it. So very easy, less steps. Just keep that in mind as you're pulling it down. Again, keep it tight so your bubbles are as tight and can be as full as possible. Alright, time for the fun part. So basically what I'm doing here is I am pulling apart the braid and making it look as big as possible and fluffy. So you're just going to keep going down. Make sure you have a mirror behind you. It is going to be a little tough if you don't. I actually had Morgan telling me what areas to pull just because I couldn't see. So yeah, just make sure you have that behind you. Keep pulling, making it as big as possible. And yeah, I'm basically just going to fast forward through this part. I do this all the way down. This is me just showing you what your braid should look like. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through the second side because it's exactly the same of what I just did. So enjoy these speed up clips of me doing my hair yet again. Alright you guys, so I just went ahead and finished up the other side. That was quite the task. This is only my third time doing this, so I feel like it came out pretty good. It's not too shabby, I feel like. Again, this would totally look better with the clear little elastic bands, but we're just making do with what we have, so this is what we came up with. So yeah, I hope you guys try this out. Let me know down below in the comments if you tried it and how it went for you. I promise it's really not that hard. Like I said, it's my third time doing this and I'm not a hair person at all. I actually prefer not to do my hair. That's why you usually see it half up, half down, curled, straight. Like, I don't know how to do any of those cool fancy braids except for bubble braids. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, make sure before you leave to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Golly, sweating. It's hot. It really hurts my arm. It's not... Whoa.